Nanubabo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga for today's vlog. Sa pong bagong hangout dito sa Angeles City. And sabi ng owner, when you go here, it's like going out of Angeles City. Although it is inside Angeles City, but check out my view. It's very Instagrammable, date worthy. Today, of course, we're gonna check out their food, their place, as well as experience. So if you want to know more about this new place, guys, join me in this video. Let's go! Kasama natin si Mark dito sa vlog na to. Hi Mark! What can you say about the place, brother?
So yung place napakaganda, romantic yung dating,
Exactly.
good for dating.
Uh-huh.
At the same time, yung mga furnitures nila dito, you could have some pictures, napaka-instagrammable. At the same time, napaka-cozy.
First impression na pagdating mo talaga dito is you're gonna be amazed with the place.
Yes.
So sa place pa lang, sobrang sulit na yung magiging time mo dito. Eh kung titikman pa natin yung pagkain nila. So, invite sa atin dito is si Sir Andreas Lundin. So siya actually ang isa sa mga owners din dun sa Amanti Hotel, which is located sa Lazatin Boulevard, particularly dun sa Souk area. So isa sa mga close friend natin yan, sumusuporta din sa We're in Pampanga. We are supporting him dito sa bagong venture niya. Congratulations, Sir Andreas. Talking about the place or the ambiance, sabi nga namin dun sa introduction natin, first impression mo is you're gonna be amazed. So they do also have yung parang cocktail bar. For our main course, this is shareable, you know, share with your friends.
3 to 4.
Yeah, 3 to 4 person. So, mixed meat. Alam niyo naman yung kasama ko, guys, this is a meat person, so ito yung in-order natin.
So dun sa mixed meat grill platter, so meron tayong rib eye, tenderloin, chicken, sausages with roasted baby potatoes and beans, blue cheese sauce, and red wine sauce with chimichurri. Wow.
Chimichurri. This is it. This is our main entry for this dinner. Very early dinner. So once again, thank you so much, Amanti. Guys, if you're looking for a place for a date, sigurado guys, naghahanap tayo ng lugar kung saan romantic, magandang ambience, masarap ang pagkain, special place to remember with your special someone. This is the place to be. What was your inspiration and what would you like your customers to experience when they go here?
Inspiration actually was lack of really authentic pizza. We wanted actually to find a small place, maybe 20-30 seats, and have a wood fire brick oven.
Yeah.
Really pure Napolitan pizzas. That was our first goal. Then we found this place which was much bigger. But it had the trees, the garden, and we fell in love with the place. So I said to my partner, you know, a house I can fix, but we can never grow the trees. From that, it kind of expanded. So then we thought, okay, we're not Italian, and we wanted to do something European, Mediterranean. So we expanded the kitchen more on what are the other, you know, really nice homemade food around the Mediterranean. You have Spain, you have Italy, you have France, Greece, etc. So we picked really, you know, good food friends for family. So it's more of a Mediterranean theme actually. From the menu, the decor followed.
So that was the inspiration.
That was the inspiration to transport you somewhere, you know, maybe in Greece, maybe in Italy on an island, a little bit of a beach vibe.
Yeah.
And also it's something I think, especially me as a foreigner, I expected to find more places like this in the Philippines. Since you're a tropical country, and if I'm going to get anything with more of a tropical vibe, I have to go to Siargao, I have to go to Palawan, Boracay, La Union, but there is nothing in Pampanga. So we said, why don't we do that here? You know, get the feeling that you don't only come for the food, but also for the experience of relaxing for a day. That was the inspiration actually. I like to make concepts. So it's not only about the food or the interior. It's do the whole packaging, the whole experience. A little bit how I did with Hamanda Hotel. Also to give it, you know, an experience, not only accommodation, not only a place to sleep overnight, to do something more than that. So here you also come, hopefully not only for the food, but also for the ambience and you know, have a relaxing place to stay.
Thank you.